Let's mill a really huge, funky, gross log. All right, it's a big one. It's only 50 inches long, 26 inches there, 32 to 36 inches here. Might have to cut this just to get the mill to go through it. This is gonna turn into slabs and cribbing for a bunch of different projects. Oof. I think this is gonna have to come down a little bit in order to clear this. Now it will definitely clear. I actually like this little saw. Crazy. I already like this, so I'm gonna start going in 2-inch slices to have a bunch of slabs for little project tables. It's too wide, it's not going to clear. So I got to shave this off. All right, should clear. Looks like a huge shark fin. It's pretty cool. Another huge one that's pretty cool. It's almost 30 inches wide. Just for perspective, that's my clearances on this log. I'm clearing it by maybe 3/8 of an inch total. And this is a big mill. Now we're getting in there. Look at this. It's huge. Got a few cuts on this bucket. I can fill this whole tote in just like an hour when I'm really going. All right, this is gonna be the last slab. Here's the current slab library. All right, I flipped it 180. Now this is gonna turn into 3x3s, but this is the slabs. This one's amazing. Time to cut the 3x3s. The log is done. Got a whole bunch of these 3x3s I'm gonna use for blocking and cribbing. They're awesome. Almost too nice. And here is the slab library. I lied, I cut 2 more slabs than I thought I would. Wish these videos could be longer. Now, stay tuned to watch me install these in the tiny house and also make other stuff out of them.